For 2008 Acura TL, try to remove the door lock cylinder. There's no hole on the side. We have to remove the whole panel from the inside of the door. Also remove this bolt for the window rail, and then we can stick in a screwdriver from this access hole, the lock, to remove a 8mm bolt under the window rail, and then the lock came off from there.